Hello, my fellow Zekers. Today, we are going to review a store called Bloom.com, which is a niche store that sells only two products. Yes, it's a two-product store, and the great part is that these two products are generating sales like a store with many items listed. And you can see that here. These two products have generated almost 3,700 sales in the past 30 days, with more than $200,000 in sales revenue. And you want to hear the best part? This store is achieving these impressive stats using two simple products that can easily be dropshipped from AliExpress. Now, how high is the profit from these products? Let's briefly review one out of the two products available for sale in this store, and it's the Powerball cat toy. I will explain more about this product in the video, but the store sells it for $22.24, as we can see here. Now, the same exact product from AliExpress costs only $2.96 without taking into consideration this discount and
$1.99 for shipping, because this is an AliExpress choice item that costs less than $10.
This means the store operates with a profit margin of 77%, which translates to nearly $16 in profit for each sale.
With 2,497 sales
in the past 30 days from this item alone, this store made an enormous profit of
$39,952
before accounting for ads and operational costs.
That breaks it down to about $9,988
in profit per week and $1,426 in daily profit before ads and operational costs. So even if you're not a fan of cat products, I bet by the end of this video, you'll see the huge potential in this niche. So before we dive into this store's operations, let's first understand what the two products are that have sold over 3,000 units in the past 30 days. First, we have the main product that generates most of the revenue for this store, and it's the Cat Powerball. To be honest, this is a brilliant dropshipping product, mainly because it provides great value for cats and is also easy to source. To illustrate how brilliant this product is, let's watch a video showcasing it. As you can see, this electric cat ball moves when powered on, providing hours of fun for cats and keeping them engaged. You can imagine how appealing this type of product can be to anyone who has a cat. Additionally, this product is trending right now on social media, mainly on TikTok, but I wouldn't say the market for this item is oversaturated. Now, the second item is more straightforward, and this is a smart automatic pet feeder that can be controlled using an app. Now, to understand how this store made so many sales with only two listed products that can easily be sourced from AliExpress, we need to start by reviewing it. Okay, so first of all, this store is based in Germany and the copy is in German. So using this button here, I will actually change it to English so we can easily review it. Now, I see that this store is doing a great job when it comes to the most valuable real estate of any store, and it's the main homepage banner. So I can immediately see the Cat Powerball and the call to action, which is quite straightforward with Shop Now. However, I noticed that I don't see any images or videos on the homepage showing this product in action. Now, this makes me believe that the store is using paid ads and organic social media for traffic, showcasing this product in action in those social media posts. So by scrolling all the way down to the homepage or on the homepage, it looks like the store didn't put much emphasis on a unique design, and the design itself doesn't require any special coding or add-ons. simply working with an existing Shopify theme. But to verify this, I will use the Zik theme detector. So I'll go to the Zik theme detector, which is free to use. And from here, I will add the store's URL and just go ahead and click on search. Okay, so the theme this Shopify store is using is called Ride. And from a quick search, you can actually see that this is a free theme. So this dropshipping store doesn't focus too much on creating a well-designed website, which is common for brands with a strong social media presence. In these cases, the website serves as a gateway for purchases without the need to persuade the customer, as buyers are already convinced to buy through social media posts and videos. Lastly, let's review this Powerball selling page. So overall, the selling page of this store complements the homepage. Now, this selling page is great. Now, the product variations are clear, whether it's quantity or color. The icons before the add to cart button provide a quick understanding of the product's uniqueness. Now, as I scroll all the way down even further, I like that the product description is divided by some nice videos showcasing the product in action. And the last part is at the end of this page, we can actually see real customer reviews and images, which provide great social proof that this item is a good choice for cats. Also, by reviewing the snack bot, which is the other product this store is selling, I can actually see the same great page pattern as the Powerball. Okay, Zekers, so what do you think about this video so far? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I will be happy to review them. And also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to receive the best content about the e-commerce world. If you want to start your own business on Shopify, you can do it today by clicking on the link below for only $1 for the first month. To gain more insight and better understanding the store's operations and data, I will actually use the Zik Store Sales Tracker to reveal information that Shopify does not share, such as the store's social media presence, how many sales it generates, and even what Shopify apps it uses to achieve these massive sales. So let's go ahead and take the URL of this store, jump over to Zik Analytics, and paste it into the Zik Store Sales Tracker. Now, as we mentioned earlier, this store is currently selling the Powerball, which keeps cats happy and active by constantly moving. This product is the leading item for this store with 2,497 in the past 30 days. Now, the second product, the automatic cat feeder, is also successful with 1,071 sales, which is impressive for an item that costs more than $100. Okay, we've reached the point where we will investigate how this store generates traffic. This can be done by reviewing its paid and organic social media, which Zik identifies. So let's start with the organic social media this store has. So we can see that the store is active on Instagram and Facebook. First, let's review the Facebook page of this store. Now I can see this page has a decent number of followers, reaching 2,600, and the posts shared on this page mainly consist of images that highlight the product qualities. Okay, so now let's review the Instagram page of this store. Can you see the number of followers this store has? It has a large community of almost 17,000 followers, which is a great traffic source for this store. The content shared on this social media platform is a mix of static images and videos. I can see that Instagram is the primary platform through which this store interacts with its community. And you can see that by clicking on community here. We obviously get more insight. I can see that this store is resharing stories created by its customers, providing ultimate social media proof for why choosing to buy products from this store is a great decision. Another secret weapon this store has is the use of Reels. Just look at the high views these Reels get. From this review, it's clear that Instagram is the social media platform that brings the most value to this store. This is an important insight because if I want to create a store like this or something similar, I know that Instagram can be used as the primary platform to build and interact with my community. So after covering the organic social media of this store, let's look at the paid ads that it is running. Now for this, I will click on the meta icon under the ads channel in the Zik's store sales tracker. Okay, Zekers, obviously you can see this. This store is currently running 130 paid ads. This is a strong indication that the store benefits from paid ads on Meta. Here's a tip. When analyzing paid ads, it's better to start with the oldest active ads. Why? Well, because we want to focus on ads that have been running for a long time and are still active, as they are most likely performing well and generating profitable results for the store owner. So I'll scroll all the way down these 130 active ads. Now, let's focus on this ad. So this is definitely an old paid ad that has been running since July 2023. And I see that this ad showcases a video demonstrating how fast the Cat Powerball is. I can also see that this ad is running on Facebook, Instagram, and Facebook Messenger, which can help me decide to choose these platforms as well if I want to market the same or similar item. Okay, from here, we're going to go ahead and click on See Details. Now, because this ad is targeting a European audience, I will be able to review the targeting and extract valuable data from it. Now, this information isn't available for ads targeting the US audience, so I can take insights from the AU ads and implement them for the US targeted ads, such as determining which gender and age groups interact best with this ad, among other factors. Additionally, we can understand that by creating content and a video similar to this one, we can increase our chances of achieving good engagement, saving a lot of time and money on testing ad creatives. So first, I see that this is a broad targeting ad aimed at people age 18 to 65 or older and both genders. Now, to determine which segments are interacting best with this ad, I'll sort the reach from high to low. Wow, look at that. I love seeing data insights like this. I can see that regardless of the country of the audience, there is consistent data being showcased here. Now, the audience that best engages with this ad is females aged 25 to 34. You can see it too, right? Now, this piece of data can be beneficial for me if I want to create paid ads for this store. Now, I can create targeted ads aimed specifically at females, whether it's worldwide, in the US, or in other countries, and set the age range from 25 to 34. Now, this information can save you a lot of testing time to find the best audience for this Powerball product and definitely help me save money, allowing me to invest in an audience that has a better chance of buying this cat toy. We extracted this data by reviewing one ad that has been running for a long time, and you can imagine how much more data I could gather by analyzing additional ads like this one. So Zekers, before we way, check the traffic volume this store is generating using paid and organic social media. If you like this video so far, don't forget to give it a big like and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to find the best products for your dropshipping store, you can subscribe to Zik Analytics today for only $1 for the first week. Yes, only $1. Click the link below. Now that we've reviewed this store's organic and paid media, which serve as the main engines driving traffic, let's take a look at the estimated traffic this store generates on a monthly basis. You might be surprised by the results. Now, to do this, I'm going to go back into the store's website. And you can use this similar web Chrome extension, which is free to use. Okay, you can obviously see it right now. This store generated almost 160,000 potential buyers in August of 2024, which is exciting. But what's more exciting, this number increased to 226,000 potential buyers who viewed the store in September 2024. By smartly utilizing paid and organic social media, your store can become a powerhouse of high traffic. As we saw in the Zik store sales tracker, this high traffic translates into high number of sales. Okay, now that we've covered the paid and organic social media and the store, you might be asking yourself how to source these two products this store is selling. Well, let me show you how. First, since I want to offer these two dropshipping products worldwide in my store, I will use AliExpress to source them because I can ship these products globally. However, we need to ensure we choose only reliable products and sellers. So let's focus on the Cat Powerball, which generates most of this store's revenue. And I see it as one of the ultimate beginner products. Why? Well, because this product can be sourced cheaply and has a high profit margin for each sale. Plus, it could be marketed simply by showing cats chasing the ball, which could lead to viral posts and serve as great examples of product use in paid ads. So now I'm actually going to go ahead and open AliExpress and type in Cat Powerball. Now, as you can see, there are many options available for this item. So which one should we choose? Well, I'll show you two sellers who are selling the same product and we'll decide which one of them to source from. So after reviewing a bit of the options on AliExpress, let's actually go ahead and take a look at this item. Now, as you can see, this item has sold only 8 times and has only one customer review. It's priced at $2.19 plus $1.99 for shipping. Additionally, the AliExpress seller, when you scroll down, has only 88% positive feedback and 14 followers, which isn't the best for AliExpress sellers. Now let's go ahead and take a look at this item here. So can you see the difference right off the bat? Okay, so we might pay a little bit more for sourcing this product, but the trust we can have in it is significantly higher. Just by looking, over 2,000 items sold from this product page, 604 buyer reviews, and overall, the rating of 4.7, which is excellent for an electronic device. Also, by scrolling all the way down to review the seller of this item, we can see that they have a great reputation on AliExpress with 97.3 positive ratings and 2,228 followers. So I think it's obvious that it's better to source the Cat Powerball from this seller rather than the other one, even if you have to pay a bit more. This choice can positively affect buyer satisfaction and reduce the return rate. Okay, my dear Zikers, we've come to the end of this video. As you can see, creating a store like Bloom and basing your sourcing solely on dropshipping items from AliExpress while achieving high profit margins is totally possible. By implementing best practices for your store using this or other similar examples and basing your product sourcing on solid data, you can create the ultimate store and save a lot of time and money along the way. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more great content like this. Keep moving forward, and I will see you next time.